For the first time, the presidential candidates for the May elections face off not only on one stage, but in a city outside Imperial Metro Manila. Voters here in Mindanao weigh in on the historic event. Close to 1,500 supporters of Vice President Jejomar Binay, Davao Mayor Rudy Duterte, Senators Grace Poe and Miriam Defensor Santiago, and Administration Standard Bearer Mar Rojas watch as their candidates attempt to outsmart, outwit, and outshine each other. Sectoral representatives are part of the audience too. For them, the debate is an avenue to learn more about the candidates' platforms.
Nailabas nila kung ano yung mga hinain nila. Dito natin makikita kung talagang karapat-dapat ba talaga silang iboto bilang isang presidente. And at the same time, maganda rin naman yung kasi na-topic din talaga yung mga issues, especially sa Mindanao kasi taga Mindanao ako eh.
While supporters cheered every time their presidential bet took the microphone, not all are satisfied with the debate's outcome.
Hindi masyadong hardcore yung rebuttal nila, parang friendly lang. Mas maganda siguro pag direct tsaka a little bit na like go to the issues talaga. Hindi kasi masyadong pa din eh. Naintindihan ko na kulang yung time, dapat ilahat yung programa, but sana na direct yung mga tanong sa mga i-rebat nila and then ma-answer naman. I think yung si Binay tsaka si Mar Rojas, maganda, muntik na yung magkainitan talaga.
They also wish that the ongoing peace process in the region was discussed more thoroughly during the debate.
Konting dismaya lang, yun lang. Kasi nga, ang talagang na pag-usapan lang dun is about dun sa BBL eh. Then, hindi talaga na isa-isa doon kung ano talaga yung realidad na nararanasan ng taga Mindanao. Kasi hindi natin talaga maiiwasan na pag sinabing Mindanao, laging nakalagay sa mindset natin is kaguluhan.
In contrast, supporters cheer every time their candidate speaks. Electoral debates are held to help voters scrutinize candidates' platforms and to gauge how knowledgeable they are on the most pressing issues today. The 5 presidential candidates for the 2016 elections already got their first chance to woo voters here in Mindanao. Will they also make an impression in the Visayas and Luzon debates? Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Cagayan de Oro City.